If you want to quickly share a web page from your computer to your phone, tablet, or with anyone else, Chrome makes it incredibly easy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a QR code in Chrome in just a few seconds. This is a super useful trick for sharing links without copying long URLs or sending messages back and forth. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech tips just like this. Let's jump right in. First, open the web page you want to share. This can be any page in Chrome, whether it's an article, a product page, a blog post, or your own website. Once the page is open, move your mouse anywhere on the web page and right-click. When the menu appears, look for the option that says Create QR Code for this page. This is the built-in Chrome feature that instantly turns the current web page into a scannable QR code. Go ahead and click it. As soon as you do, Chrome will generate a QR code for that web page. You can now scan it using your phone camera or any QR code scanner, and it will take you directly to the same page. This is especially helpful when you want to move from your computer to your phone without typing anything manually. You can also use it to share a page with friends, co-workers, or clients in a really fast and professional way. If you don't see the option right away, make sure you're using a recent version of Google Chrome because this feature may not appear in older browser versions. Once the QR code is created, you can save it or simply have someone scan it on the spot. That's all there is to it. In just a couple of clicks, you've created a QR code in Chrome and made sharing the page much easier. If this video was helpful, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more simple tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.